Okay, meron tayong question dito. Sabi niya, ask lang po technicalities. May life insurance po ako na beneficiary ay anak ko, 3 years old pa lang. Pwede daw ba makapag-claim ang minor ng benefits? A good question since ang pinaka-design talaga no ng life insurance is yung benefits or death benefit is marireceive po ng ating dependents. In this case po yung minor beneficiary. Pero ang catch dito kasi, no, hindi daw sinali ang tatay kasi hindi kasal. Okay. So first of all, no, yung during the application sa life insurance, meron kasi tayong tinatawag na trustee for minor beneficiary. Ano yung purpose ng trustee, no? Since ang minor, bilang minor, hindi pa makapag-decide on their own, no, there will be a trustee no who will take care of the benefits of the minor beneficiary. So, by the word trustee, dapat na mapagkakatiwalaan dun sa pera na supposedly para dun sa minor beneficiary. So, sino yon yung pwede, no? Pwede yung kapatid ng nanay, pwede yung lola, pwede rin yung kapatid na hindi minor, nung ano ng minor beneficiary, no? For example, kuya, ate, no, na hindi minor, no, kasi bawal nga kasi sa minor beneficiary makapag-claim as themselves, no, at while they are minor. And si trustee, pwede niyang gawin is that as the trustee of the minor beneficiary, gagawin niya is that pwede siyang mag-claim doon sa life insurance if at the time of death of the mother is minor pa yung beneficiary. So, pwede niyang decision is that, sige, kukunin ko na, ako na bahala dito sa minor beneficiary. I will take care of this minor beneficiary. Ngayon, another option is that pwede rin na si minor beneficiary ay hintayin maging of legal age or 18 years old para ma-receive ang benefit na yon. So for example, 12 years old, no, namatay, 12 years old yung minor beneficiary and namatay yung mother. So, mangyayari doon is that si trustee magsasabi siya, and hintayin na lang natin na mag 18 years old para siya mismo yung makareceive. And in time also for college, pwede yun. Or, pwede rin na, kasi kunin na namin ngayon yung, for example, 2 million pesos na life insurance or death benefit kasi merong mga day-to-day expenses, school expenses, etc. No? In support, dahil nawala na yung insured o yung mother. So, yung trustee ngayon yung bahala to claim no on the minor's behalf ng death benefit. Clear ba, ayos?